Hi guys! Para sa mga bago sa channel na to, I'm your Mars Pauline and I do have 4 kids. So this channel is more on motherhood, parenting, travels, food, and everything in between. So kung ganon ang klaseng content na gusto ninyo, consider subscribing onto this channel. And syempre, hit that notification bell na rin para ma-update kayo kapag nag-upload ako. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm your Mars Pauline and for today, record ko lang to kasi this is a very momentous event for our Bulakenyo Mama kasi I will be delivering our first batch of dishwashing liquids to our distributor. First distributor natin siya and she's located in San Jose del Monte. So, napag-isip-isip ko dahil biglang bugso yung orders. So, napaaga. Actually, nasa plano to. Nasa plano. Pero parang, mga binibigyan ko pa ng 6 months. Pero dahil nga, bugso yung naging order. So, di eto na. Go na. So, meron na tayong distributor dito sa San Jose del Monte. So, if you ever heard of the Bulakenyo Mama dishwashing liquid, it's 100% aloe vera and there's no synthetic. We use coco betaine in it, so it's really safe for the earth and for your family, your hands. Hindi siya drying kasi nga walang synthetic. So, that is my new business and yun nga, I'm so excited na meron ng distributor dito sa San Jose del Monte City. Meron pang mga next pero we're just, closing the deal pa. So, pero right now, ito, sure na 100% kasi nasa likod na yung products and nakapagbayad na din si mommy and nakapag-usap na kami. So, this is it.